So we definitely got some absolutely insane stuff that is currently happening to Lucid Motors stock again, literally being up now almost 10% since the drops we experienced last time, after gapping up some crazy 67% from the pullbacks after the astonishing 675% jumps that occurred at the beginning of the year and brought Lucid all the way up to highs at almost $65. And with those new gaps literally happening after reaching the major support level at right under $18 we talked about last time, this also means that we are up another more than 7% since the last time we have talked about the stock. But as these crazy moves in price certainly are strongly associated with some insanely important aspects, including of course some pretty big catalysts, news and of course the completed merger, while also still sitting at an about 47% decrease from the recent highs after the initial gaps, what we are going to do today is give you an updated insight into what is happening to the now ticker symbol LCID and break down exactly whether it is still a buy at the end. And as the analysis in the video is absolutely crucial to consider before buying the stock, make sure to stay tuned. But before we jump right in, just hit that subscribe button down below. And as we'll keep you updated on breaking news and awesome trading opportunities every single day, subscribing would not only help us but also you. So there is really no excuse for not smashing the subscribe button. It's free, and you can always unsubscribe if you feel so. Alright, so let's start talking about the stock. And with the completed merger now literally making the company finally trade under its own name and ticker symbol, combined with the promised release now being anytime soon, to end the 14-year-long wait of investors after the company got founded and first introduced its pretty revolutionary products, which we'll take a look at in a second, we definitely got some crucial things to go over again, including of course the in the beginning mentioned things as well as some critical fundamentals and info. Before we can come to the pretty dope stuff however, there also are some extremely important challenges that the company is currently facing, starting off with the for most people probably biggest deal breaker, the 0 cars Lucid has delivered so far, while only providing prototypes for showcasing, for example in the continuously more stores that are getting opened right now. But just considering the company's promises, this will definitely end soon, as the incredible more than 10,000 pre-orders are literally scheduled to be delivered in the next few months of this year. What most investors currently want, however, is proof for the on paper almost perfect sounding claims the company is giving. But with as a part of the recently announced production preview week, Lucid is doing exactly this, enabling guests from every single sector to not only take a look at the company's manufacturing facilities in real life, but also to test the products, especially cars, firsthand by actually driving them. And combined with the opportunity to speak directly with company executives and the engineers, this certainly will give a ton of investors way more confidence if they hold true to the promises, maybe even creating hype for the upcoming delivery as said last time. But there's one other super important factor you need to consider when it comes to Lucid's cars and the competition that is especially big in the EV sector, the actual price of the vehicles. And with the Lucid Air Dream Edition for example starting at $169,000, Lucid is directly able to open up some tremendous opportunities in a market where almost no other large player currently focuses on, the luxury market for electric vehicles. This of course is due to those big manufacturers rather targeting as many people as possible to sell the most cars. This definitely leaves a lot of room for growth in less popular sectors. And with the merger being completed, investors can focus more on the actual business of Lucid, where we are looking at an especially amongst those very popular electric vehicle producer, with this year's astonishing 675% jumps in the stock's price, however mainly being due to the hope that Lucid's claims really turn out as promised, and of course the tremendous hype we also get from retail traders. So considering the announced SUV in 2023, or expected sales of around 48,000 units over the next 5 years, the company's own estimates certainly make it easy to understand the very positive sentiment of investors. Please consider however, and we quickly mentioned that a bit earlier, that there still is some major competition in the EV market, making it hard for new companies to succeed. Alright, if you like this video and want to support our mission of providing free financial information here on YouTube, please ensure you're subscribed and definitely consider leaving a like. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.